BENWIS was founded in 2011. We are a company driven by product innovation. Our company is a technology enterprise integrating product design, technology research and development, manufacturing, sales, and service. BENWIS originates from bringing enjoyment and wisdom to life. Based on the development concept of green, environmental protection, and healthy, we adhere to the simple and practical design idea and focus on the application of new technologies and materials. Let every product be a fine product, endowed with soul, committed to bringing more value to consumers. Our products cover all aspects of mobile life: laptop bag and traveling bag, MacBook peripheral, iPad device, phone accessories, audio and smartwatch, chargers and power, home appliance, keyboard and mouse, etc. Our culture, values, respect God and love people, helping others and achieve yourself. Business philosophy, opening up, responsibility and innovation. Mission, focus on customer concerns. Provide innovative technologies and services-oriented future. Vision, to be a user-preferred brand in mobile lifestyle. Quality policy, rigorous, high quality, efficient. Slogan, provide quality products for mobile life.